That was a kitchen clean out, drain clean.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
More of it, Pete.
Yeah. See it, man. It's nothing.
Yeah, you should be able to fit that on there.
Cool.
To drain it?
Yeah, take the.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Oh no.
Well, I had to have some sheetrock repair up in the ceiling.
Oh, good grief.
But my AC people were able to come out that very day. Happened to be on a Sunday and Father's Day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
And they came out and
Did they charge you extra for it?
no,
Oh.
I've got one of these annual.
Oh, they're like a membership?
Yeah,
Nice. That's
You
awesome.
did not have your AC off, right?
I do. Yes.
Okay. Okay. That off.
Yeah, they recommended running vinegar through it.
Yep, that's another way you can do running vinegar.
So when they come out twice a year to do their maintenance, I have them pour vinegar down both of them.
Nice. Yeah, it helps. It just doesn't guarantee. Yeah, you had more of that on this side too.
Yeah, but I'm getting more water.
Let's see if we can make this
My
drop.
goodness.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Did I get to you? I think we're golden. Let's see.
I think you're right here. Are you still pushing?
See it?
It feels like you're right here.
Here you go, bro. You want just get this stuff out of here real quick.